Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Of course, you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you out in no time. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Here we go. Oh, Lordy. It is cold outside. And we got this coming from Andobil. Bada boom. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. Lower it down a little bit. Easy clip car mount. Andobil. Nice. Nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you get it. And now let's see what's inside. And hopefully all you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alright, here we go. Let's rock and roll. Here we go, Andobil car mount cup holder. Oh baby, this is it. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at that. That's pretty wicked. Easy to adjust. Gotta turn and watch the magic unfold. This is to lock it in place good, so you won't wiggle around. I'll show you in a second once I go in the car. But it's cold outside. We're not going to go driving too much. It's going to go in the car, and that's about it. To show you guys what it looks like. That should be easy. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. Boom. A lot of people will be getting these. Guaranteed. There's the main base. Probably this one. Yep. For the larger phones, iPhone, so this should be easy twist. Okay, put it through there. Boom. Take that. Oh, come on. Twist, twist. There we go. Get the action going. Alright. Make sure it's nice and light locked in. Alright, alright. Boom. Now we get to trusty old iPhone. You need 120, right on time. Oh, the button you push. Like how? Okay, watch this. Bam. Just slide it in, lock it in. Oh yeah. See? If you're a trucker on your break, you know, watch a movie like this. Make sure you slide it in. There we go, more centered. Ah, look at that. Boom. Kind of looks like a robot now. Kind of like Johnny 5 from Short Circuit. Look at that. Good grip too. It's bumpy roads, you know. A lot of potholes in Michigan, that's for sure. This will be really sturdy. Shake it out. It ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah. Look at that. This does not void my warranty with iPhone. You could do this. It's allowed. See? Look at that. Perfect setup. It's a really nice one right here coming from Andobil. I think that's it. I think I got it right. Really nice. Long neck. You could pivot it if you want to do it sideways in case you're reading your maps, doing DoorDash or Grubhub or Ship It, any one of those delivery places you work for. Even Amazon drivers probably could have used this. It's really nice. Alright, we're going to go in the car and see how it, whatchamacallit. Uh-oh. Might be a little top heavy. Just staying on it. Oh no, not Siri. No, not you. Okay, right there, locking in. Lock it down. So we got it right there. Put that right down the second. Grab my other phone. I'm going to need the light because it's dark in the garage. Grab this phone too that works for also. Check them out. We'll be right back in a second. Alright guys, we are in the car. And there's a cup holder. Got it locked in. Really nice. It ain't going nowhere, guys. Over the bumps, over the potholes. It is locked in. As much as you can see. Here we go, a little bit better. It's kind of hard doing it in the car. But right there, it's cold. Excuse me for shaking so much, but it is freezing out. It's 19 degrees. Alright guys, so there it is. And you guys could get them too. Oh, sorry, it's 27 degrees out. Still cold. Alright guys, be safe, have a good day, see you soon.